Good evening, Bios Baptist Church. We are now off of Jericho lockdown. So this morning at 5:45 a.m., the facility was placed on Jericho lockdown as a result of a threat received in the local area. This threat was reacted to by the revolutionary, newly tested Jericho lockdown. This lockdown lasted for 14 hours. Hopefully we will never have to use this type of lockdown again, because this was an extensive period where services was limited. This was an extensive period where there was no youth department, there was no adult department, there was no administration department, there was no animal department. All the departments were closed other than the administration and ER. So hopefully this type of lockdown will never be needed again. But we're more than ready to do so if necessary. If it is necessary, we will be prepared to do it in the future. Normal services have resumed at this time, just a few hours shy before the night shift. The church abandoned the exit door to the prayer garden flung open. The whiteboard light in the on position. The stoplight activated. Hopefully we will never have to use this lockdown again. Bibles left open. Exit door was found open on the way in this morning. The scene was very haunting because of the lockdown. Nobody was able to get access to the facility for 14 hours. So therefore it stayed just the way it was. The grill was left. There was even a smell on it because food was taken away by ants. The lights have kicked on now after a beautiful sunny day was spent barred from Bios Baptist Church. The constellation sit up in the sky above us, and the garden lights activate being on below, on the ground beneath us. The lights brighten our hands. Hopefully this lockdown will never be necessary again. Tomorrow, they say that they will resume, they will do the necessary paperwork that it will take to resume services tomorrow, but everything should be right back on track. So tomorrow at 2 p.m., you will expect to see the updated service on Bios Baptist Church's Weebly website. Huh? Who are you? Oh, good evening, Deacon. Oh, good evening, Deacon Sanders. Oh, you could go ahead and come up.
Oh, I don't want to be on camera, nothing like that.
Have a good day and may God bless you.